Hello and good time. Welcome to the first session of performance management dashboard or report. And today we want to work with data and we want to learn how we can extract, load, and transform our data. So let's go and start our work with data. Here we have a go to first click on model view. After that, through the home, go to get data. So here we have a text and CSV files because my type of file is CSV. So it's time to open our data. Here we can find performance management data and it's our file. So let's go, we wait for connecting, and now we have our data. We click on transform data, and here we have a view option. If you column here, click column, you can see the quality of data which you have and how much is good or different. It's a good option for controlling your data. Here you can see the type of your data. If you need, based on your data, you can make a change type of your data. Okay, and here maybe we want to have some changes which can help us to have a better observation. I want to change the title of data here, behavior data, better. And you can see here the changes, what happened for your data. You can see rename one of the column, and here I want to change the job performance. I want get base rate. It's so better. And performance rate or performance score, it's not special, but I think rate, maybe it's good. We don't need this column, so we should go to home. Here we have a remove column, or we can here click right and remove. Okay, and in addition we have a performance rank base 15%, performance bonus, and number of working days, and performance bonus days. And it's great, and you can work with your data. And I want to add a column, and I want to conditional column. It's great, and wait, and you can use per name performance type. I want to divide my employees in 3 groups based on the performance: a star or high performer, middle performer, or lower performer. So I can use a conditional column. It's a great way. And here column name, it's the column you want to use to as a source of data, performance rate, or you can select greater than or equals to 3, or you can output is a star or higher performer and add another class, but performance performance rate here is greater or equals to, for example, 2, because I want to show how we can grouping our employees based on the performance, middle performer, and in addition is a lower performer. Or it's better, underperformer is better. It's professional performer. It's a good. So okay. And here you can see we have a new column, and people, they are in the 3 groups: higher, middle performer, star, underperformer. And I want you to learn, we have a different kind of performance report, and you can see this kind of reports in performance management software, which provide with big HR service provider companies. But here we want to have the professional experience with Power BI. We have a performance type, and here we have another column is performance rank. Here divided people performance 1 to 10 category. It's based on 1 to 10 and the performance square, but here we have a description and 3 group. It's good to use one of them in your report, but I want to show both of them because you should learn, and maybe you want to use in your company, or you make your this kind of report for your customers, and they have a different approach about the report. So I think that's enough. Let's go to home. Here you should close and apply, and we are waiting. Apply changes. Yes, we have our data, and if you come here, you can see completely our data and our changes. For example, here we can see our new column. Okay, come back to our model, and we should add the other part, and text and CSV employee levels, and we have our employee have a different level. I think here we don't have any problem, and so let's go transform data. I think we don't have any problem here, and it's close and apply. And here we can see and click here one. I think it's a one to many. It's better, and I want to be single. See here the change. It's a single from employee level to employee performance, and then I think it's okay, and we can add the other part of the model. And let's go text and employee gender. Gender is very important because we want to analyze our database on male and female. It's okay, and loud here. Yes, but it's not my favorite. I want to have the gender but not employee performance too. Here employee ID is one to many, and I want to be single. Save, and it's okay. You can use both of them, and it can be here, and we don't have any problem as far as I know, which I selected here. And you can see there's a main it's both. It's better to consider both. It's okay. It's great. And if you come here, you can see our data and employee level, employee performance. It's great. Come here, and in the session you learn how we want to work with our data, how we can make a change, and how we can make our models. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make a comment for us, and support me. Subscribe my page, please. It can give more energy to me continue the way and produce more interesting report for you. So in the next meeting, in the next session, I will start to work with data indicators and design different visual. It's more interesting for you, and I hope see you in the next session.